Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pack your files into RAR and zip archives on Google Pixel 7. And to do this we'll need to get the RAR app we shown you in our previous video on how to download it. Now let's move on to the folder that contains our files. Select each of the files. Then click on this arrow pointing, on the plus button to enter archiving options. You can change any options, but it's not necessary to create a simple RAR file. So I'm just gonna pick a different name. And now click OK when everything is ready. And that way you'll create a RAR file. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.